How to link a bank account to Wise. First things first, log into your Wise account. Just use your usual login details. Look for a little arrow in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and a menu will pop up. In that menu, you'll see an option called Settings. Click on that one. Now, in the settings, you'll see a bunch of options. Look for one called Connected Accounts and click on it. On this page, there should be something that says Connect Your Bank Account. Click on that. Depending on where your bank account is from, like the US, UK, or Canada, select the right option. You'll then have to choose how you want to verify your account. You can either do it instantly or manually. If you pick instant, they'll probably just ask for your account number. If you choose manual, you'll need to input more details like your routing number, account number, and other stuff. Before you finish, double check all the info you've entered. Once you're sure it's right, hit the confirm button. And that's it. You've successfully linked your bank account to Wise. It's a simple process that ensures smooth transactions and easy access to your funds. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.